हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लेक्चर में हम सॉल्व करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 13C विच इज अ मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज बेस्ड ऑन सेक्शन एंड मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला। फॉर्मूले एक बार रिवाइज कर लेते हैं फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चंस। अकॉर्डिंग टू सेक्शन फॉर्मूला, इफ AB इज अ लाइन सेगमेंट with end points A and B whose coordinates are x1 y1 and x2 y2 and P is a point lies in AB such that P divides this line in the ratio m1 is to m2, then the coordinates of the P are given by section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 and the y coordinate m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. And if P is the midpoint of line segment AB, then the coordinates of P are given by x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y coordinate y1 plus y2 upon 2. Distance between the point A and B whose coordinates are x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given by स्क्वायर रूट x2 माइनस x1 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 माइनस y1 का होल स्क्वायर। चलिए अब स्टार्ट करते हैं एक्सरसाइज 13C। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, गिवन अ ट्राइंगल ABC इन विच A इज इक्वल टू 4, -4, B is equal to 0, 5 and C is equal to 5, 10, a point P lies on BC such that BP ratio PC is equal to 3:2. Find the length of the line segment AP. चलिए ड्रॉ करते हैं। ABC is a triangle, vertices हमें गिवन है। P is a point lies on BC. BC पर पॉइंट P है। Suppose this is point P such that BP ratio PC 3:2 means P ने BC को डिवाइड किया है इन द रेशियो 3:2 and we have to find the length of line segment AP. अब देखिए डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला अगर हमें अप्लाई करना है लेंथ AP को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए तो हमारे पास एंड पॉइंट्स A और P के कोऑर्डिनेट्स होने चाहिए। तो A के कोऑर्डिनेट्स तो हमें नोन है, P के कोऑर्डिनेट्स नोन नहीं है। P के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे यूजिंग सेक्शन फॉर्मूला। P is a point which divides the line BC in the ratio 3:2, then by section formula coordinates of P, m1 is 3 and m2 is 2. This is x1 y1, x1 is 0, y1 is 5, x2 is 5 and y2 is 10. Coordinates of P are 3, 8. Now we can find the length AP. Coordinates of A 4, -4 and coordinates of P 3, 8. Now apply distance formula. Length of AP is under root 145 units. Next question. Question number 2. A and B are two fixed points. Find the coordinates of point P in AB such that 3PB is equal to AB. P is a point in AB such that 3PB is equal to AB. Suppose this is the point P. तो हमें given है 3PB is equal to AB means PB upon AB is equal to 1 upon 3 according to ratio proportion. Let PB is equal to X, then AB will be 3x by this relation. If PB is x, then AB is 3x. Whole distance is 3x means the remaining is 2x. AP is 2x means AP ratio PB is 2:1. P is the point which divides the given line segment AB in the ratio 2:1. Now we can find the coordinates of P by applying section formula. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and m1 is 2, m2 is 1. Coordinates of P are 40 upon 3, minus 40 upon 3. Also find the coordinates of some other point Q in AB such that AB is equal to 6AQ. इसी क्वेश्चन में अब हमें सेकेंड केस गिवन है. Now Q is a point in AB such that AB is equal to 6AQ. Means AB upon AQ will be equal to 6 upon 1. If AB is 6x, then AQ will be x. AQ is x when the AB is 6x, means BQ is 5x, means the ratio of AQ with QB is 1:5, x upon 5x, means Q is a point which divides the line segment in the ratio 1:5. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and m1 is 1 and m2 is 5. We have to find the coordinates of P, apply section formula and find it. Coordinates of Q are 55 upon 3 and minus 10 upon 3. Question number 3. A, B and C are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Point P lies on AB and Q lies on AC such that AP ratio PB is equal to 3:5 and AQ ratio QC is equal to 3:5. Show that PQ is equal to 3 upon 8 BC. चलिए ड्रॉ करते हैं. P lies on AP, AB, P lies on AB, suppose this is P, and Q lies on AC, this is Q. AP ratio PB, AP ratio PB is 3:5, means P divides AB in the ratio 3:5 and AQ ratio QC is also 3:5. आप ध्यान रखेंगे AP रेशो PB है, मींस A के साइड में हम 3 वाला रेशो लेंगे और B के साइड में हम 5 वाला रेशो कंसीडर करेंगे. इसी तरीके से जब हम AQ और QC का रेशो लेंगे तो 3 जो है ये A की साइड में होगा, दिस इज AQ एंड QC 5. We have to show PQ is equal to 3 upon 8 BC, means हमें PQ की लेंथ फाइंड आउट करनी है और BC की लेंथ फाइंड आउट करनी है. अब PQ की लेंथ फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमें P और Q दोनों के कोऑर्डिनेट्स नोन होने चाहिए. तो पहले हम P और Q के कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट करेंगे बाय सेक्शन फॉर्मूला, और BC तो हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, दोनों एंड पॉइंट्स हमें नोन है. तो चलिए पहले P के कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट करते हैं. P इज अ पॉइंट विच डिवाइड्स लाइन सेगमेंट इन द AB इन द रेशियो 3:5. M1 is 3, x2 is 0, m2 5 and x1 minus 8. y2 is 16 and y1 is 0. Coordinates of P are -5, 6. चलिए अब फाइंड आउट करते हैं Q के कोऑर्डिनेट्स. M1 is 3, x2 is 0, m2 is 5 and x1 is -8. y2 is 0 and y1 is also 0. Coordinates of Q are -5, 0. चलिए अब फाइंड आउट करते हैं लेंथ PQ एंड BC. पहले लेंथ PQ कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. For this we are applying distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, then whole under root. x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the end points of the line segment. Put the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now length BC. BC is 16. Now PQ upon BC is equal to 6 upon 16, means PQ is equal to 3 upon 8 BC. Proved. Question number 4. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining the point 6, -9 and the origin. पॉइंट्स ऑफ ट्राइसेक्शन के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमें फाइंड आउट करने हैं, मींस ऐसे 2 पॉइंट्स जो इसको 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दें. सपोज P एंड Q आर द पॉइंट्स ऑफ ट्राइसेक्शन, मींस AP इज इक्वल टू PQ इज इक्वल टू OQ. Let this is x, this is also x and this is also x, means P is the point which divide the line segment OA in the ratio 1:2. P की लेफ्ट साइड में डिस्टेंस है x और राइट साइड में डिस्टेंस है 2x and Q is the point which divides the line segment AO in the ratio 2:1. Q के लेफ्ट साइड में 2x डिस्टेंस है और राइट साइड में x डिस्टेंस है. Now apply section formula to find the coordinates of P and Q. First we are finding the coordinates of P. End points are same, so the value of x1 y1 and x2 y2 will be same. For P, m1 is 1 and m2 is 2, and for Q, m1 is 2 and m2 is 1. Coordinates of P, first point of trisection are 4, -6. Now apply section formula to find the coordinates of Q. Coordinates of Q, second point of trisection are 2, -3. Question number 5. A line segment joining A -1, 5 upon 3 and B A, 5 is divided in the ratio 1:3 at P. The point where the line segment AB intersects the y-axis, calculate the value of A. Calculate the coordinates of P. AB is the line segment and point P is the point which divides this line segment in the ratio 1:3. And P is situated on y-axis. Suppose this is the point P which divides this line segment in the ratio 1:3, means the value of m1 is 1 and value of m2 is 3. End points are x1 y1, x2 y2. पॉइंट्स और रेशियो की नोटिंग करते वक्त आप लोग ध्यान रखा कीजिए कि जहां पर हमने m1 लिखा है उसी साइड के पॉइंट को हम x1 y1 नोटेशन देंगे और जिधर हमने m2 लिया है उधर हम x2 y2 नोटेशन देंगे. Because the point P lies on y-axis, it means its x coordinate will be 0. y coordinate कुछ भी हो सकता है लेकिन x coordinate इसका 0 होगा. And we have to find the value of A. Now we are applying section formula for the x coordinate of P. X coordinate of P is 0 because it is on y-axis. Value of m1 is 1, x2 is A, m2 is 3 and x1 is -1. Cross multiply. Value of A is 3. This is the answer for part 1. In part 2, we have to find the coordinates of P. X coordinate of P is 0. Y coordinate हमें find out करना है. तो चलिए section formula apply करते हैं. Y coordinate of P is 5 upon 2, means coordinates of P are 0, 5 upon 2. This is the answer for part 2nd. You can write 0 and 2 and 1 by 2. Question number 6. In what ratio is the line joining A and B divided by the x-axis? X-axis के साथ हमें intersection देखना है, means y coordinate of point of intersection will be 0. इसी को use करके हम ratio find out करेंगे. Suppose this is the point of intersection of AB and x-axis, means the y coordinate of P will be 0. Let the P divides this line segment in the ratio m1 m2. Then apply section formula for the y coordinate of P. Coordinate of P is 0. m1 हमें find out करना है. y2 is -1. m2 we have to find and y1 is 3. Cross multiply. m1 upon m2 is equal to 3 upon 1, means m1 ratio m2 is equal to 3 ratio 1. P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 3:1. Write the coordinates of the point where AB intersects the x-axis, means we have to find the coordinates of P. Y coordinate is 0, x coordinate हमें find out करना है. चलिए section formula apply करते हैं. Now m1 is 3 and m2 is 1. Coordinate of P is 3 and y is 0, means the coordinates of P are 3, 0. Question number 7. The midpoint of the segment AB as shown in the diagram is C. C is the midpoint of AB. And the coordinates of C are 4, -3. Write down the coordinates of A and B. Clearly A lies on x-axis, means its y coordinate will be 0. Let the x coordinate is x1. B lies on y-axis, means its x coordinate will be 0. Let the y coordinate is y2. C is the midpoint. Apply midpoint formula. X coordinate of C will be x1 plus x2 upon 2. This is x1 y1 first end point and this is x2 y2 second end point. X coordinate of C is 4. Value of x1 we have to find and x2 is 0. x1 is equal to 8. Means the coordinates of A are x1, 0, 8, 0. Now apply midpoint formula for y coordinate of C. Y coordinate of C is -3, value of y1 is 0 and y2 we have to find. y2 is -6, means the coordinate of B are 0, y2, 0, -6. Question number 8. AB is the diameter of a circle with center C. If A 3, -7, find the length of radius AC. AB is the diameter of a circle with center C. C is the center and the coordinates of C are given -2, 5. If A coordinates of A are 3, -7, find the length of the radius AC. AC की लेंथ हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है. एंड पॉइंट्स हमें नोन है. डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके हम लेंथ फाइंड आउट करेंगे. Radius AC is 13 unit. सेकेंड पार्ट में हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ बी. लेट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ बी आर x1 y1. C is the midpoint of AB because AB is diameter and C is the center. Then we can apply midpoint formula for the coordinates of C. X coordinate of C will be equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and the x coordinate of C is minus 2. x1 we have to find and x2 is 3. Cross multiply, x1 plus 3 is equal to minus 4. The value of x1 is minus 7, means x coordinate of B is minus 7. Y coordinate of C will be y1 plus y2 upon 2 and the y coordinate of C is 5. y1 we have to find and y2 is minus 7. y1 is 17, means the coordinates of B are x1 comma y1 minus 7 comma 17. Question number 9th. Find the coordinates of the centroid of a triangle whose vertices are A, B, C. Vertices हमें given है, direct centroid का formula हम apply करेंगे. First vertex x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. Coordinates of centroid, one is minus 1, x2 is 1, x3 is 5, y1 3, y2 minus 1 and y3 1. Coordinates of centroid are 5 upon 3 comma 1. Question number 10th. The midpoint of the line segment joining this and this is 2 comma minus 2a. Midpoint के coordinates हमें given है and find the value of A and B. Coordinates of A 4a comma 2b minus 3, coordinates of B minus 4 comma 3b and P is the midpoint whose coordinates are 2 comma minus 2. On this basis we have to find the value of A and B. We are applying midpoint formula for x coordinate of P, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2, this is x1 y1 first end point and this is x2 y2 second end point. X coordinate of P is 2, value of x1 4a and x2 is minus 4. A is 2, the value of A is 2. Now apply midpoint formula for the y coordinate of P. Y coordinate of P is minus 2a, the value of y1 is 2b minus 3 and the value of y2 is 3b. Put the value of A, that is 2. B is equal to minus 1, A is 2 and B is minus 1. Question number 11th. The midpoint of the line segment joining this and this is this. Find the values of A and B, similar to question number 10. End points हमें given है, midpoint के coordinates हमें given है और इस result की help से हमें A और B की values find out करनी है. First of all, for x coordinate of P, x1 plus x2 upon 2, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. X coordinate of P is 1, x1 is 2 and x2 is minus 2. Value of A is 2. Now apply midpoint formula for the y coordinate of P. Y coordinate of P is 2a plus 1, y1 is 4 and y2 is 2b. Now the value of A is known, that is 2. 4 plus 2b is equal to 5 into 2, 10. B is 3, A is 2 and B is 3. आज के लेक्चर में बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आगे की अनसॉल्व प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, टेक केयर.